Hello, friend, come read with me. What are we reading today? Today we're reading My First Train Trip. Yesterday, I went on a train ride. The station was very big. Lots of people were traveling on trains. Why do you think I was going on a train? We went to the ticket office to buy our tickets. The ticket seller told us to go to platform 5. We waited on the platform for our train. We got on when it arrived. We found some free seats. I sat by the window and looked out. The train was very slow as it went through the city. At first, I saw streets and buildings. Some people waved. Then I saw fields and trees. Some people were working in the fields. It was a long train trip. At last, I saw streets and buildings again. We were nearly there, and the train was slowing down. Grandpa was waiting for us on the platform. It was a great first train trip. This is a story by Lynne Rickards. See you next time. Bye.